In order to get at the exhaust flap plug, I went ahead and actually unbolted the servo from the bracket. There are two 5mm hex bolts holding it down, one here and one down in there. It's helpful if you have a T-handle with the beveled tip in order to reach down in there, because you can't go straight and it has to be at a bit of an angle, which this helps. So I just went ahead and pulled those off, and then I was able to free up cable to get my hand in there much better. And there's a clip here that I couldn't see from the side. You simply want to pull up on it, and it can be helpful to use a tiny screwdriver to get in there and actually tip it up. And once you do that, it came off very, very easily. So let me just make sure it's nice and snug. Kind of. And it just pops right off. So now the exhaust flap should be taken care of. Also, to make things work a little bit better, I went ahead and rebooted Tuneboy. I just shut it off and shut off the engine, launched the engine, and then launched it again. Just to be safe, I selected the file again and clicked download. And it only took a couple of minutes. You can see download is just completed as we sat down. And I have a little message here that says turn ignition off, and then hit enter to reestablish communication. So we'll go ahead and do that. And turn it back on. And then we're gonna hit enter. So that should be it. According to what documentation I was able to find on the Tuneboy website and the tutorials, that should be it. We've now successfully retuned the bike. Next check is simply to go ride it and see what happens.